Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Recently I learned React.js and I found a problem with the YouTube tutorial scenario. There are a lot of tutorials of React and front-end roadmaps, but none of them give you a wider picture of the React ecosystem. So even after learning React, it's hard to use that knowledge and create projects on your own. So today I will provide you with a step-by-step process that you can use to learn React. Following this process, you will learn JavaScript and React in depth and create 3 resume-ready projects. Speaking of myself, I followed this process and I'm still continuing with expanding my tech stack. So with that said, let's start with the steps. The first step is getting your foundations correct. Here I am assuming that you are familiar with HTML and CSS. If you are not, then do any project-based tutorial on HTML and CSS from YouTube and you are good to go. Next comes JavaScript. The best course to learn JavaScript is Akshay Saini's Namaste JavaScript. Watch the entire playlist to watch thoroughly and don't skip any part of the videos. This is a very detailed and guided playlist so that you can learn JavaScript in depth in the least time. Code along with Akshay and in 1 or 2 weeks you will be very thorough with the JavaScript concepts. Now let's move on to the next one. In this step, you will be doing a minimum of 2 projects using vanilla JavaScript, HTML and CSS. One will be a to-do app and the other will be a note-taking app. The to-do app must contain the following features. The to-dos and to-do status must be saved. It means that even if I close the browser and reopen it, the to-do list data must be there. Use the browser local storage for this. User must be able to add to-do via pressing enter button or use the mouse click. Clicking the enter button must not trigger a page reload. User must be able to edit and delete a to-do. And user must be able to mark to-dos as completed or unmark a completed to-do. For the note-taking app, I suggest you to follow this tutorial from Decode. The link will be given in the description. Just make sure you understand the concepts as you go through the tutorial. After completing the tutorial, try to make the same app again. This will give you an idea of where you might get stuck. The idea here is you must practice any number of apps as much as you require, but the test to pass for this part is being able to code a to-do app by yourself with the functionality mentioned earlier. If you are able to do that, then you are quite comfortable with coding in JavaScript and you can proceed with learning React. The last step is enrolling in Akshay Saini's Namaste React course. This is a paid course and it will cost a maximum of 2000 Indian rupees. There is always some kind of offer running, so you can get it for a lot less. I recommend buying this course because this is a very well structured course and it will give you 3 very good resume ready projects. You don't have to fumble for guidance on YouTube. Every penny of your 2000 rupees will be valuable. One thing I recommend doing is improving over the project in the course. Like try to use Google authentication instead of the basic email password authentication. Use newer libraries like React Query instead of Redux. You get the idea, right? I recommend this course mainly is for the guidance. The first app you build here will teach you more than any React tutorial on YouTube. By the end of this journey, you will be good to learn by yourself and implement React projects on your own. You can also proceed with newer frameworks like Next.js. I myself followed it, so I recommend it. You won't forget React concepts again after this journey. Try the steps and let me know in the comments if this helped you. Drop a like if you liked the video and thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.